This is day one of me trying to teach area colors. Don't mind Smallville in the background. So from yesterday, me pick up the package. Them wanna see the video. From yesterday, me I think about like what approach for tech for try and teach her. I'm realizing when I avoid all of the ball them. I don't know if it kind of confuse her like too much color one time. So I've just decided that we're gonna do like 2 colors per day. Well, more than gonna do 1 color per day, but I'm gonna use 2 colors to try and. I don't know if it makes sense. It makes sense in my head. I'm gonna use red and yellow. But the color I really want to try. Girl, give me my phone. The color I really want to try and teach her today is red. But I'm gonna use red and yellow. So instead of have like all of the colors, I'm gonna just put red and yellow and show her red first and then see if she can differentiate between the two. I know it's not gonna overnight and I'm not gonna rush her because she's a baby. Yeah, but I have to start. Girl, no. It's not because I tell us that everything that's mine is yours. Leave some of my things them. Okay. So I'm just gonna put back all of the other color them with and red and yellow. I'm gonna just put back all of the other container them and just leave the red and yellow ones.
Garbage.
It's not garbage.
Garbage.
It is not garbage.
Garbage.
No, it's not.
Garbage.
No, it's not. They're not garbage. We're gonna be using them to teach you your colors.
Garbage.
Because yesterday I thought the shapes, I thought the busy board, I thought the color them. It has to be one thing at a time.
Garbage.
It's not garbage, pumpkin. It has to be one thing at a time because I gotta remember she's still a baby. So I have to be patient with her. I'm gonna put these ones up. Okay, look. It's a red cup and a yellow cup. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, mommy's gonna put the red ball in the red cup. Can you show me a red ball? Good job. Can you show me? No, this one is yellow.
No.
Right. Can you show me a red ball? Show mommy a red ball.
No.
Is that a red ball?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Good job. No, this one is yellow. We put the yellow ball in the yellow cup. Okay. Can you show me a yellow ball?
No.
Can you show me a yellow ball?
No.
Please.
Please.
Can you show mommy a yellow ball?
Huh.
This one is the Aria, think I catch time. This one is the yellow ball.
Cat.
Okay, I'll catch. You catch. Catch the yellow ball. Catch the yellow ball. You catch the yellow ball. Catch. Okay, can you throw a red ball? Throw a red ball. No, that's a yellow ball. Throw a red ball. You have to look. Which one is red? Show mommy a red one.
Why?
Show mommy a red ball.
Rainbow.
Can you show me? Can you show me?
Okay.
No, I learned.
No.
Take on with the business now.
That's your ball.
Girl, may you drop.
That gun, you know that gun. That gun, go and go learn.
Come here, mommy. Here's another red ball. Here's another one. Put the red ball. We're gonna put the red ball. Look here though. I have to try and like you. I don't know if them some message. She had take the phone, but you can't hear me. I have to try use like a particular tone because I see her face now. I look like she want to get bored. So I have to like jazz it up and be like, let's put the red ball. Like not too much because I don't want to overstimulate her. Listen. I could I never be like a basic school teacher. It's just that I love my baby and I've learned patience through her. But I couldn't do it like with a bag of picnic. Like I can I can have the patience till I do it with my baby, but trust me, I couldn't do this on no larger scale. Also, I'm not gonna like take all day just I do this. Like I might do it for like a little 10 minutes and then give her a break, and then do it for your next little 10 minutes or 5 minutes. But now I'm gonna stress out her brain because also if me start to make she feel frustrated, she won't ever want to do it again. So I will be not trying to do her shapes too, but like I said, just yesterday I get the ties them, so I can't. Rome wasn't built in a day. Watch out, I was reaching at my clothes. Rome wasn't built in a day, so I'm not gonna. You know, she's still only a year old and she's so brilliant for her age. Like, me don't know. I'm just so obsessed with my baby. And me just, in my head, me like, everybody must feel like that weird about them baby, right? Because, me know every parent have to think them baby are the most brilliant baby in the world, just like I think about mine. Me know when you see a little baby, I say the ABC, I say, oh my God, my baby's the smartest baby. Just like me, so. It has to be, I'm not gonna say a mother thing, it has to be like a parent thing. Yeah. Cause see her there right now, our interest are just to take the cup them and crush up and I talk about the cup them at garbage. What color is your dress?
Blue.
It's yellow. Can you show mommy a yellow ball?
Yellow.
Pick up the yellow ball. Give me the yellow ball. Give mommy the yellow ball. Look in your hand. Which one is yellow?
Yellow.
Which one is yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow! Let mommy see the yellow ball. Where's the yellow ball? Irie love ramp. I'm telling you something. Irie, me never see one little baby love ramp like Irie. As I say, everybody probably feel that way about them baby, but me never see it. Make her granny tell you no. Irie love ramp differently. Everything Irie told in her game. You see everything I said to her, she told you that song. You see if I say Irie, don't touch that. Ask. Oh, don't believe me, no? If I say Irie, don't touch that, you hear her. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. She take everything I told in that song. What did her daddy call her and say? Yeah, daddy princess. You look again. Irie is a princess. Ha, ha, ha. Only thing me can't make up them something. Yeah. I literally can't make it up. Are you okay? Yeah, but just a show on and just showing on, you know what I mean? I say, but me not go record like every time. Me not go take up the phone for record every time. Me a show her or trying to teach her something, because me know it not gonna happen in a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Even though she's so brilliant and quick, still, you know, me just gonna take my time and be patient with her and just show her. And the good thing about it is that everybody else will show her as well, because if she just sit down and play with them, like aside from learning, if she just sit down and play with them and her uncle comes see her, him will show her same way, because this man him that show her shape them. I remember the shape story, so we put it up now because I don't want to about everything and confuse her, like me say. But this morning her uncle come and see her with her shape sorter and him show her, so everybody will show her, and that's how she learns. That's how she learns, like when she see everybody else that do it, yeah, that's how she learns. So just gonna be patient with her, but for now, I'm gonna lock off this and I'm not gonna rush her right now. She wants to play, but that's gonna kind of make she do it in her own time. I don't wanna, cause like I said, I don't want she feel overstimulated. I don't want she feel overwhelmed, and next thing, she don't want to do it none at all. So that one is purple. Yeah, show them, but they're not see. That one is purple pumpkin. You dropped it.
Yeah.
On the ear area chat. Drop the ball. On the ear chat. I don't want to get emotional. Yesterday in your area, take a little walk in the evening. Cause sometimes I feel like she bored and I don't want to like turn on the TV. Then I will take a. Oh no, I want to see where I walk all the time. An area walk in front of me. I'm just say. When was the exact moment when Iris start walk? Like me can't remember. Like me no mean that one is green. Me can't think of the exact moment when Iris start walk. Like I remember her taking like that one is orange. You say orange?
Orange.
Good job. Remember when she had to take her first step them? Remember when she had wibble wobble? That one is blue. Remember when she had wibble wobble? But me literally can't remember the day or the moment when Iris walk. I get so emotional when I think about them things because me like every day with her.
Blue.
That one is purple.
Purple.
Every day with her is like this effortless
Blue.
transition.
Blue.
Orange.
Orange.
And me just not. It just seemed like even though me know it's not possible, it just seemed like the things them happen overnight. Green.
Green.
What color is this one?
Brown.
No. What color?
Brown.
No. Red. What color is this one?
Brown.
What color is this one? She look my favorite one. That one is blue. But yeah, I'm gonna end up the phone pound now because if I continue to talk about it, I'm gonna cry. You know?
Brown.
It's purple. But yeah, another come more. Me and Ari are home. Well, our uncle, they're around this, but me know same soon gamble film business, so it's purple. Me I contemplate if me and Ari go up on the road go eat KFC today. Me don't know because rain a fall and me don't know. It's too. You see, by the time if I don't ready Ari and ready myself, I go up on the road, my vibes broke. So me don't know. It's too much. I can't. Me don't know. But me don't know if me still feel like it. Maybe after Ari take her morning nap. It's early now. She not go sleep. The boy live there 12 o'clock. But after she take her like a morning nap, me see how I feel about that. But me ain't gonna problem no. Yeah, where?